The Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP has issued a firm warning against individuals allegedly exploiting the recent Kuwadzana children's tragedy for financial and political gain. Sarabina mashoko pangwa ine anote the police says there is no evidence that Kuwadzana child victims had missing body parts. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda munauzere mzimba chiti. In a public statement released today, the police accused Josephine Mutongi of mobilizing funds via EcoCash and Inbox accounts under the guise of assisting grieving families and organizing an illegal demonstration over claims that the children's bodies had missing parts. The Zimbabwe Republic Police has no evidence that any of the victims had missing body parts, reads part of the statement signed by Chief Staff Officer, Press and Public Relations, Commissioner P. Yati. A full post-mortem will be conducted on 6 October 2025 in Harare, and the results will be made public in consultation with the families. The ZRP further said the families of the victims have disowned Mutongi, accusing her of creating confusion through social media posts. The police urged the public to avoid spreading dangerous and sensational narratives that could incite unrest or disrupt investigations. The public should respect the privacy of the grieving families and allow the police to find out what exactly happened, Nyat added. Another user, Zimbo Citizen, questioned whether the fourth paragraph was necessary in the press statement referring to the section disowning Mutongi, while others defended the ZRP's tone, arguing that misinformation had spiraled out of control. While the police clarification appears aimed at preventing civil unrest and online scams, communication experts say the timing and framing of the message are crucial. Failure to address public curiosity comprehensively could unintentionally fuel mistrust and give rise to more conspiracy theories. The scheduled post-mortem results expected on Monday, 6 October, are now viewed as critical in restoring public confidence and clarifying the true circumstances behind the tragedy. Ndomashoko ari kupangwa ine ari kuburitswa nezvetarapi awa panhau awa yevana vanga vari missing vakazowanikwa vari mubhuti remotor vehicle vakafa. Pinda comment section pedu mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.